What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something I was kind of iffy about doing, and it was buying the 454 style side mirrors for my OBS Chevy. For me, I don't really like them, but I'm just gonna try them out because someone did break my driver's side mirror. I could have easily replaced just the glass itself or the mirror itself, but I just wanted to try something new. So here in front of me are the mirrors. I already opened them up. So the size difference is actually pretty damn crazy. These are much smaller than I really thought they were going to be. Good thing they are glossy black, so it will slightly match the truck. The truck's paint is not pretty, it's really messed up, so I really don't mind. But anyways, these are the side mirrors. I'm gonna unbox the other one, check it out, make sure it's not scratched or broken, because they did just come in today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. A couple more things coming. We're almost at 500. Please subscribe. The subscriber count is not moving up. I lost one subscriber, which I cried about, but catch y'all in a bit. Peace. Alright, so to take the side mirror off, I got to take the door panel off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it all off. And my clips were already broken, so I'm gonna need to put some new ones. Now I'm gonna take this sponge off. Dang, it's hella fat. But those are the 10s. I'm gonna need to take off 3 of them. Alright, so these I'm gonna go get a wrench just because my freaking socket don't fit in there. And I should be able to take the side mirror off. But look, that's what I'm talking about. Someone smashed it at nighttime. Alright, got all of them out. These two are in such an awkward position, bro. Like, I gotta make this like crooked, and this one's even worse. But let's go ahead and take the side mirror off now. So here's the old one, and let me compare it to the new one, just so you guys could see how much of a big difference there is with size. Just look at that. This is so bulky. This is like so pointy and like square. But that is the difference. I'm gonna transfer this maybe onto the new one if it fits. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Now I'm gonna go throw this onto the door. Okay. Alright, it's on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some new door clips, because as you can see, some of them stayed on, which is not good. And I'll put that back. And this is the side with the saggy door. Let me try to lift it. I don't know if y'all can see the play. But I'll be finding a way to replace these pins right there. That one, the bottom one, and I think that's it. I don't know if this has anything to do with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some new clips for this. I still got some in here. Hopefully I don't break any of the clips on the other door, on that door, because those actually stayed on. It was just this fucking door that freaking broke some. Alright, time to throw on the new one. Alright guys, so I finished up the mirrors. I put the door panel on the passenger side just because that one was good. But this one on the driver's side, as you can see, it's literally falling apart. It does have like broken tabs and shit. And in one of my videos, I did try to super glue it, and it didn't fucking work. So what I'm gonna do, since this one does have like a screw drilled into the plastic right here, I think I'm going to drill 2 more screws around here or in the middle, because I don't, if you guys could see this little tab right here, this one, it has a little washer that holds it from, you know, coming out, but the material got so flimsy that it just went through. So what I'm gonna do real quick is, what are you doing? What I'm gonna do real quick is drill some holes. Hopefully I don't drill to the point where it actually comes out of the material. But another monkey, what the hell? So I'll get back to you guys when I finish. I don't think I'm gonna record this. All right, with 2 screws, one in the middle and one in the very edge. You can't really see it because the lighting is so ass. This thing is really sturdy. Obviously this is just wobbly, but look, I feel like I could pick this up. I'm gonna go throw this on the truck real quick. Back to the side mirrors. I mean, I'm able to see, you know, behind me and shit, and my blind spots, so it's not too bad. But I do prefer the other big ass original mirrors, to be honest. I still haven't taken a long look up the truck from the outside, just because I don't know, they're so small. It looks like it's missing some mirrors, you know. I really wish they were a bit bigger. I don't know if I want them longer, but they would definitely look better if they were a bit bigger. Alright guys, here is the truck. Here's the mirrors, 454 style mirrors. This is what it looks like from the outside. And they actually grow on me. They look really nice, except for when you look at it from this angle. It just looks tiny and weird, but it looks really nice from a side view. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want these. They were pretty cheap on eBay. They are not authentic OBS 454 mirrors. Of course, those are gonna be ridiculously overpriced, and it's like the same thing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and catch y'all next time.